Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about a stock which has a probability to give you sharp returns in the upcoming months to years. So we are going to discuss about Pennsylvania Real Estate Investment Trust, and this is the monthly chart what you can see on your screen. And I will simply tell you how this chart looks like, because in the recent past the stock has actually moved from the lows and already given you 200% worth of return, but because the share price is so low that you can consider it as a penny stock. Now, looking at the levels, I will first subdivide this chart into some important categories based on the or criterias or levels based on the previous support or resistance which the stock has taken into the consideration. Okay, so these are the levels. Okay, so as you can see, these are the important levels where stock has actually taken support over a period of time, and this will definitely work as our important support and resistance level here as well. Now, first about the risk. Okay, so if you are looking at this chart, you will see the way the stock has moved. You will have your immediate target at 0.84, and then you will have your last target or support, beg your pardon, support on the or target at the downside will be 0.36. So if the stock falls below 0.36, one should not carry any position, and the immediate target that we are looking at is 2.93. I would say this is around $3. So $3 is the next target that we are looking at, but it is also a resistance. Okay, because if the stock sustain above 3 or 3.5 and does not falls back, then the trend will open up for this stock, and the stock has a probability to go as high as $50, or the previous high the stock has seen in the year 2006 or 7. Okay, so the probability will uh, increase very dramatically if the stock sustains above $3. So $3 is a very important, I would say, level that one should look at. But there is another trend which I want you to know is this one. Okay, and these are all happening in a monthly chart. So here we have, and if I draw this two lines, you will see that the next target that we are actually looking at is in between. On the downside you have 0.36, but if the stock sustain above $3, it could go as high as $15. Okay, $15 or in between 15 to $18, but there are lots of different levels which are there in between, and one should respect each and every target or resistance level. So first of all, the stock has its next target at 3.02. so this is the only target which you should focus here right now, and if the stock sustain above 3.02, although I've told you that the upside will open till 50 or $52, but we will go one step after another, where after $3 you will have your next target at 6, then you have 9.5, 9.2, then you have probably 15.76. After 15.76 you have 28 or 27, and then you have 50 or $52 on the upside. So we will go one step after another. So the important criteria is to look at that the probability is very high that it will definitely go and retest $3, but the actual movement will start if the stock sustain above $3. So let's hope for that, and because if the stock sustain above $3, then we are looking at a rally which is as high as, here we can see here, which is as high as 1600%. So there is a probability of 1600% which will open up after $3. So this is what we are counting on, and let's see how the stock will move in the long term, because we are looking at a monthly chart. So there is no shortcut here. If the stock moves very drastically, the situation we are not considering here, and most importantly, focus on the risk. Okay, and the reward, as I already told you, is going to be very big. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.